Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell and buy and also mint NFTs using the NFT Go app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the NFT Go app. You have to connect an existing wallet, or you can create your own personal new wallet on the NFT Go app if you don't have a crypto wallet yet. And then to sell your NFTs, you just have to go to your profile where you will see all your NFTs listed, and just by tapping on it, you can sell them. To buy NFTs, you can go to the homepage to browse all the popular NFTs right now, or you can obviously go to search for a specific artist or NFT that you would like to purchase, and you find an NFT that you would like to invest in. You just have to tap on it, and you can buy it by tapping on buy now for the specific price that is given here. As you can see, you can only buy NFTs using gems, and to get gems you just have to tap on the plus icon on the top of the screen, and you can buy gems. For around 100 bucks you can get 40 gems. So that's pretty much it, how you can get your gems on the NFT Go app. And to mint NFTs, it's pretty easy also. You just have to tap on create, and here tap on get started. Just upload your NFT design, add the details, title, description, and yeah, you have to pay 10 gem fee to mint NFTs. And that's pretty much it, how you can buy and sell on the market. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.